In this video, I'm going to show you how to install fonts in Figma. So the first thing you need to do is go and open up an internet browser, and we need to head over to the website figma.com/downloads and press enter. You could then scroll down to the font installers and go and click on the Windows installer. You could then click on your downloads folder and go and install this executable file. So just go and press install, and once it's completed, close out of this window. Now the next thing we need to do is go and find a font that we want to install into Figma. So I'm just going to search for DA font, and I'm going to click on this website here, which is dafont.com, and these are copyright free fonts that you can use in Figma. So once you've found a font that you want to use, you can go and press the download button. You can then click on your downloads folder and open up the zip file. You can then go and double click on this font file, and then from here we can press install. Now once it's installed, you need to close out of the Figma application. You can then just go in, reopen the app, and once it's reopened, you can come over to the typography and you'll now be able to find your font that you just installed. Now if you can't find it, you can always click on this drop down arrow and select installed by you, and you'll be able to see the font here. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.